Well, we need to talk about weather because there's going to be a system moving through, it sounds like.
Several of them, actually. If you got plans of heading out to the cabin this weekend, it is going to be, I hear the loons.
Love
It's
it.
going to be a little wet at times. Now, we're not talking all day rain all the time, but rounds of showers and thunderstorms that'll kind of be more closely impacted to the overnight hours and early morning. So if you're heading up to northern Wisconsin, look at that action shot, by the way. Saturday does look a little wet up there. You can see temperatures will be a little cooler on Sunday, especially across the northern half of the state. Up in the Brainerd Lakes area, nice sunset, which, by the way, we don't have as much color in our sunrises and sunsets because we don't have as much wildfire smoke. And you can see chances for storms both Saturday and Sunday, ending in Faribault. I don't know what that is. Is that a leech or something?
She's so brave.
Yeah. 80s on Saturday and Sunday as well, with a chance for some showers and storms throughout the weekend as well. Outside this evening, you might notice some showers and thunderstorms rumbling through parts of the southwest metro at this hour. We're not looking at anything severe, but some rumbles of thunder, and it does look like some brief heavy downpours as well. Now, speaking of downpours, it was absolutely pouring in Marshall earlier this evening. This is a satellite radar loop from 4 o'clock until 9 o'clock, and it was kind of a funky storm. It developed, slowly moved through Lyon County, and even produced a report of a funnel cloud as well. And in fact, here's a picture, a video of that funnel cloud from a Minnesota State Patrol officer near Minneota, which is about, say, 10-15 minutes northwest of the Marshall area. You can see it spinning right there. Yeah, funnel cloud in Minnesota this afternoon. No report as to whether it actually touched down, which would make it an official tornado, but that's what happened earlier today. Let's talk more about our stormy weekend. Heavy storms in the forecast Friday night into early Saturday. That's the main round, but there could be additional rounds as we head into Saturday night and possibly even Sunday night as well. Main impacts, it's going to be hot and humid as we head into tomorrow. Humid conditions we're feeling right now, but especially humid as we head into Friday and Saturday. The potential is there for training thunderstorms. That means storms that roll over the same area over and over again that can lead to some localized flooding. And not to mention there's a severe risk as well, especially for areas in western Wisconsin by about this time tomorrow. Here's the overall setup. Big ridge of high pressure developing over the central plain states. This is going to put the steering winds right through us in the upper Midwest. That means any little ripple in the jet stream is going to push a storm system our direction. There's another one leaving the Rockies right now. That one, again, will be with us about this time tomorrow. So let's take a look at our precip forecast through the weekend. Now, this is a broader range look. It just shows us that, yes, there is potential for heavy rain in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Many of us looking at 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, but within those local areas where we see that heavy rain could easily pick up 3-4 inches in a pretty quick amount of time. So something to be mindful of as we do head into the weekend, as localized flooding is a possibility. This is Microcast. There's some showers and non-severe storms that'll move through the Twin Cities over the next hour and a half or so, but mostly quiet during the overnight hours. As we head into Friday, most of the day does look dry. It's not until around sundown and the hours beyond, that's when things get a little bit more rowdy. There's a frontal system that's going to develop across central and Minnesota into northern Wisconsin. You can see some storms initializing north and northeast of the Twin Cities by 7-8 o'clock in the evening. You can see stormy conditions over western Wisconsin. And then it does look like another round of storms as we move into early Saturday morning. That says waves of showers and storms. That could be a recurring theme through the upcoming weekend. So here's your 7-day forecast. Weather impact alert 10 p.m. tomorrow night through 10 a.m. Saturday. A bit of a break as we head into Saturday afternoon, and then more scattered rain on Sunday. Finally drying out by the middle of next week, and Thursday looking stellar. We're back after this.